Step 7. Influence the decision makers. Earlier on, we talked about the importance of finding the decision makers. Now that you have a coalition of partners, you need to persuade decision makers to take action around the goals for which you are advocating. This happens through the process of influence. You practice influence when you convince someone else to do something or give you something. This can happen when you are negotiating with someone at the market to get a good price, or when government officials talk to people to get their vote. In the same way, you can influence stakeholders and decision makers by communicating with them and persuading them about the importance of something. Think about the different ways you can communicate with decision makers. Personal communication is often best. For example, you could meet with them in person, write letters to them, call, text, or email them, organize events to draw their attention, promote your cause and why it's important in local newspapers, social media, or other communication outlets. When planning your communication, keep in mind the following tips. Be personal. Tell your personal story of why this issue is important. You'll learn how to do this in a later module. Be professional and prepared. Plan what you're going to say ahead of time. Discuss with other people, including colleagues and community members, your issue and improve your call to action. Explain the issue clearly. Educate the decision maker about the issue. Use both previous research and personal experience. Make a clear request. Remember your goals. Be sure to communicate your goal clearly and succinctly. Ask for the decision maker to take a specific action that supports your goal. Help them understand how their action will achieve benefit for your community. Follow up. Just like you do with your patients, you have to follow up with decision makers. Make sure they received your communication and are moving toward the action you hope to see.